friends, how are you today? I hope you are very good. This time I'd like to explain you how to make a very popular indigenous musical instrument, very popular here in Mexico. This instrument is called Teponaztle. Well, you're going to need a piece of bamboo like this. Well, I've already drawn something like a letter H here. You can see. And then we are going to cut this. Well, you see, I don't have any sophisticated tools and just have this. And this is what I'm going to use to make my teponaztle. This letter H has a side shorter than the other side. I cut this side and I measured 3 inches and the other side 4 inches. We are going to need 2 sticks like this to play the teponaztle when it will be finished. We Mexicans use these sticks to eat corn. People cooks the corn and then in this puts the corn and we eat the corn like this with chili and cheese or other ingredients. You can find these sticks in food stores here in Mexico. Okay. Well, friends, here is my teponaztle. The cuts in the shape of the letter H are already made here, here, and here. And make sure that one side of this little H measures 3/4 of the other side, so that its characteristic minor third sounds is heard. This side measures 4 inches and this side measures only 3 inches. Then I put some rubber bands like this. They are very cheap on my sticks in order to play my teponaztle. Then I'm going to sand and fill in all the imperfections of the wood like this. Those clips symbolizes the speaking or poetry, and this one symbolizes the music or the singing. Look, this is blooming. We can see these birds, hummingbirds, symbolize the souls of dead people who come to visit us to the earth again. And I put some rubber bands here so that my instrument don't roll. It's suppose I should play this song with a traditional flute, but I only have my flute like this. Sorry. Okay. Chin chin chicharito. Chin chin chicharito. Consulti. Le Jesús cae tu ojos ki. Chin chin chicharito. Chin chin chicharito. Le Jesús cae tu ojos ki. Konesh palenchen, shatubin dopolkin. Konesh palenchen, shatubin dopolkin. Konesh palenchen, shatubin dopolkin. Konesh palenchen, shatubin dopolkin. Well, friends, hope you like it. See you later.